Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give a quick update of what I've been doing for the last few days, and like I said on my last video, I'm going to start in this area and work my way into the main part of the city. Reason being is I'm going to do a big elevation change. So I've started building the road with an incline down to the harbor. And I've built the piers and crane for loading and offloading materials for the city. And I've got multiple slips. I got 3 on this side and 3 on this side for multiple boats. The crane is basically tri-functional. It slides out, then it slides left and right, and it also spins. So I can basically reach everywhere on each side of the pier. The train that comes into the pier, and a truck or a area for storing cargo on the opposite side. So I ordered some Duplo blocks, and I'm going to start raising the terrain up for everything else, but I wanted to focus on the lowest area possible so I didn't have to really work backwards. So from here forward, I'm going to be going up a level and then maybe up another 2 levels. I don't know yet, but there might be a tunnel at the back. I'm not sure, but that's my plan. But all of this will be raised, and this will be finished up. I'm gonna put a wall in with the masonry bricks to show my detail work and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update and let everyone see what's been going on for the last couple days. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you on the next video.